you have a property, you're looking to put money in, and it's at a higher price point. So let's say over $2 million. Where do you put your money in? That's what this video of 2 yeses and 1 no is about. Where to focus your money and maybe not so much. So for the first yes you're gonna wanna do is make sure there is hardwood throughout the main and upper floor, and also make sure it's consistent. Unfortunately, in this day and age, we don't really like laminate or luxury vinyl planks as your main living space if you're looking over the $2 million range. It's okay to put in the basement. We don't put hardwood in the basement because of moisture issues, which I've seen it before, but we tend not to do that. But absolutely the main floor and the upstairs, and make sure it's consistent. So yes, spend the money for the hardwood floor. The second yes you want to do is pay attention to your appliances. Most particular, you want to pay attention to your range. Higher end properties like to have gas ranges or gas stovetops. It looks nicer, and sure, it cooks food a little bit better. But yeah, if you're looking over the $2 million mark, most people want to have a gas range. And no, don't skimp out on things like front doors and windows and even garage doors. Those matter for curb appeal. So if you're looking to save some money, maybe you want to spruce things up, but don't neglect them altogether. Especially if your windows are really old or your front door looks crap while you're walking in, you won't get the best bang for your buck. So don't neglect those.